Exercise 8. Ready? Passengers transiting our network would be happy to have a place on the station premises for freshening up before moving on with their business for the day. We propose to commence hourly booking of retiring rooms instead of the existing minimum of 12 hours to fulfill this unmet need of passengers. Further, the retiring rooms will be handed over to IRCTC to ensure that these can be managed in a professional manner. We would like to mitigate the hardships that mothers undergo while traveling with their infants, and for this purpose we will pilot availability of children's menu items on trains. Further, baby foods, hot milk and hot water would be made available on stations, and changing boards for babies would be provided in train toilets. With a view to enhancing passenger comfort, we are planning to reimagine the design and layout of our coaches to ensure higher carrying capacity and provision of new amenities including automatic doors, barcode readers, bio-vacuum toilets, water level indicators, accessible dustbins, ergonomic seating, improved aesthetics, vending machines, entertainment screens, LED, lead boards for advertising, PA system and more. These new smart bracket start specially modified aesthetic refreshing travel bracket close coaches would be catered to emerging needs of our customers and also ensure lower unit cost of operations due to higher carrying capacity. Presently, we have different digital solutions for ticketing, grievance redressal and other issues. We intend to integrate all such facilities into two mobile apps, one dealing with all ticketing issues and the other for receipt and redressal of complaints and suggestions related to all our services. Bhartiya Rail is persistently innovating to ensure responsiveness to customer requirements in all our actions. Towards this end, we are making arrangements for scaling our front end staff and those we employ through our service providers. Further, the uniforms of all customer facing roles will be refurbished to clearly distinguish them on our network. We will install information boards in trains enumerating the on-board services and also GPS based digital displays inside coaches to provide real-time information regarding upcoming halts. These services would be provided through private sector engagement. Work is underway on the installation of a high-tech centralized network of 20,000 screens across 2,000 stations known as Rail Display Network. This will enable real-time flow of information to passengers and also unlock huge advertising potential. We intend to strengthen the organization at the stations with a view to ensuring better passenger amenities, vigilant and sensitive customer service, responsive grievance redressal and superior commercial sense. Last year, I had announced development of satellite terminals at a few locations. To take this to the next level and to have several more, I appeal to all states to come forward and partner with us in setting up more satellite terminals through PPP mode. In the interim, We plan to carry out detailed operational research on a pilot basis to identify short-term measures for improving rake turnaround to minimize delays at outer signals. Porters play a key role in making our journeys comfortable. We intend providing them with new uniforms and train them in soft skills in line with evolving image of IR, adopting modern technology yet traditional in its ethos of treating passengers with respect. We will also explore methods of offering them group insurance facility. Henceforth, we will be happy to call them as Sahayak. A high-speed passenger corridor from Ahmedabad to Mumbai is being undertaken with assistance from the government of Japan. A special purpose vehicle for implementing high-speed projects will be registered this month. The prime benefit of this project would be providing IR with technology advancements and a new manufacturing capability which would be leveraged for other areas of the existing network. We propose to invite FM radio stations for providing train-borne entertainment by installing PA systems in trains. IR's bilingual on-board magazine Rail Bandhu, presently available in Shatabdi, Rajdhani and Duronto trains, would be extended to all reserved classes of travellers in all mail or express trains. We will also initiate publishing Rail Bandhu in all regional languages. Mumbai is the financial capital of India and needs a robust transport system. However, the suburban railway system, the lifeline of the city, is overstressed. In principle, approval of MUTP 3 has been received from Niti Aayog to move forward. We are working towards achieving the financial closure and an early award of tenders for 2 elevated suburban corridors between Churchgate, Virar and CSTM Panvel. The CSTM Panvel corridor will be integrated with metro lines being planned by the state government for connecting existing Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport and proposed Navi Mumbai International Airport. We intend to raise all low-level platforms in Mumbai suburban stations in the ensuing financial year to address safety concerns on this account. In Kolkata, we have ongoing metro works of around 100 kilometers, which when completed would quadruple the installed capacity. I have resolved all issues related to East-West corridor of Kolkata Metro and am happy to announce that phase 1 of this project would be completed by June 2018.